Attention crypto holders, major holiday deal going on right now at Ledger. You can save up to 50% off and get up to $90 in Bitcoin back as a bonus. Click the link in the description to secure this deal and claim your free Bitcoin. This deal actually does end very soon, so you're going to want to do this sooner rather than later. And you can see it depends on which ledger model you get for how much Bitcoin you get back. But how do you know which ledger signer is the right one for you? Well, luckily, I have all the products in front of me. We will do an unboxing in this video. We will go over each product and I will show you. Understand, these are Generation 5s now. Many people are already familiar with the Ledger brand. They've been a staple in crypto for many years. What you might not know is all their products are upgraded now. These are Generation 5 touchscreen, highly functional. Ledger products are just as safe as ever, but now they're also easier to use, more functionality, better UX UI, and so much more. Again, these holiday deals end very soon, so order yours today, and you'll always be able to use our affiliate link linked below to find the best deals on their products. So let's go over each product. How are they different? What makes these Generation 5? Smash the like button and let's get into it. Also, something to note, this video is done in partnership with Ledger. This is the landing page you'll see when you click the link below. I think this picture was taken when Ledger had its very first model, to be honest. So when you come here, you won't even necessarily have to click on these additional tabs at first because this landing page really does have a lot of good information. Their new Gen 5 products, their classic products, exactly how you get that extra Bitcoin when you buy and which models come with how much Bitcoin. And, also exactly how you redeem your Bitcoin or, top up, connect with dApps, diversify, grow your portfolio, which networks are supported, 15,000 plus, and also just any frequently asked questions you have. Altcoin Daily recommends you choose Ledger. Very nice landing page they created for us, taking full advantage of this partnership. But to be honest, if you've watched our videos, you know that I've been recommending Ledger for a while. We've been an affiliate partner with them for years now, and they are the best in the game. So let me show you each product. We'll compare each product, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know. All right, a little bit different video today, but I do want to give you a chance to see every single one of their products. This is before we unbox them, and we really only get to unbox these once, so I'll spend plenty of time right here. This is their Ledger Nano Gen 5. So this is like the Nano you used to know, except now it's much bigger, like a little Palm Pilot right here. Touch screen. This really is their most affordable Gen 5 product. This is the entry-level one. This is the new standard, accessible, secure, the specs. This one, it's really nice. This is their Ledger Flex. It's kind of the medium version in between the entry level and the utmost pro level. This is really the perfect sweet spot between premium and entry. This is the front. We're going to open all these. This is the back. Don't worry, we'll go over it. And then this one is really nice. This is what I use, the Ledger Stax. This is the premium version. It has a curved E-Link experience. We'll open it up. I'll show you. There we go. Don't worry. We'll open it up. So all of these are Generation 5. This is entry. Everybody's going to have this one at least. This is the medium. This one's really good. This is the premium. I've used all three of these. They're all really good. Now these two, OG Ledger users might recognize. These are their classics. It's the Nano X and the Nano S Plus. These are the daily drivers. These are kind of the backup ones. Like the most pro crypto user will have this as their daily one, their usual one, then one of these is a backup. So if your daily device is lost, stolen, or broken, you're not locked out of your funds while waiting for a new delivery. You have the immediate backup ready to go to access your crypto. This is 50% off right now. This is the best deal. And then these ones, the Nano Gen 5, the Gen 5 Flex, the Gen 5 Stax, these are designed for action. That's what I mean by daily drivers. So swapping, staking, minting. All of them touchscreen for ease of use and clear signing. Should we open them? Okay, take a look at these products unboxed. So the box is empty. This is the Gen 5 Ledger Nano, Gen 5 Flex, Gen 5 Ledger Stax. We'll turn it on in just a second, but this is how it fits in your hand. Very sleek, touch screen design. This is the Flex, a little bit bigger, very nice. And this is the Stax. This is the top of the line model. This is what I use. This is a little case you can put around it. This is how you put it on. It kind of attaches a magnet right here so it stays on. And then this is how it will look with the case on. All of these are going to come with a cable, a recovery key, a recovery sheet, documents, and then you'll basically use these documents as a quick start guide. This is all you really need to turn it on, set it up, and get going. Very quick. This really is the new touchscreen generation, the new standard. They used to refer to these as wallets, and you still could, but really they refer to them now, they brand them now as signers, because wallet implies you just store and do nothing. With these signers, you can do everything in crypto. This is your one-stop daily use shop. And all of these are touchscreen, yes, but also this touchscreen is superior to the competition. The competition uses a standard MCU chip to drive their screen. This is the same chip found in toasters or remote controls. This isn't necessarily the best for security and does leave you a little vulnerable to hacking. Ledger is the only manufacturer where the screen is driven directly by the secure element, the banking grade chip that it has inside it. As a result, the screen cannot be tampered with. It is a secure screen by design. The Ledger recovery key, as seen here, this is what it looks like out of the box. The Ledger recovery key is a pin-protected card that acts as a secure physical offline backup to your assets. This chip and the chip inside your device is the same chip they use in bank cards, so you know it's extremely secure. By the way, beyond just the Gen5 products, you can also use this as a security key for other things. For example, the Ledger Security Key is an app that allows you to use your device with websites that support passkeys, 2FA, and also multi-factor authentication. So then if you need to use a passkey, you just touch this to your phone or laptop or whatever, and you can use it for that as well. Again, all of these are extremely simple to use, and we'll turn one on and I'll show you what it actually looks when you're going through it. All right, let's turn this on so you can see kind of what the UI UX look like. This is the Gen5 Ledger Nano. This is the base model. Welcome to Ledger Nano, your digital signer. Tap to continue. Your crypto and other digital assets are always on the blockchain. To own and manage these assets, you need the private keys linked to them. So you set it up either with your app or on the desktop. It's pretty straightforward. Here I set it up with my name. To choose the PIN, of course. Again, with this, you'll be able to buy, send, swap, stake your assets, and manage your Ledger Nano or any Ledger wallet. We'll update it, updating the firmware, installing the Ethereum wallet app. You'll be able to have all your different wallets in here, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, whatever you like. This is the Stax, and as you can see, comes all the way to the side here. That's a cool feature. A really cool tech feature to note, and this comes into play when you're doing swaps, is Ledger's partnership with Near Intense to be exact. This is a game changer as it truly allows smooth and seamless swaps to almost any crypto asset. Near Intense is actually a game changer. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It consists of 3 core layers powered by the Near tech. The asset layer, holding and moving assets across different chains. The settlement layer, smart contracts and soon escrow with tons more features coming. And then matching layer broadcasts intent and match. I don't want to bog you down too much into the tech, but it is one-click swaps, easy, gasless, exchange, bridge, pay. So this crypto degen says, I swapped USDC into XRP using Near Intense in a couple of seconds without needing to off-ramp to an exchange, swap into XRP, and then on-ramp into the XRP ledger. Totally seamless. And this is what it's going to look like for you if you pair your device with the desktop app. So the swap section of the Ledger Wallet app. You know, the swapping UI UX is very similar to any other swapping UI UX you've seen before, but Near Intense makes it so you get it cheaply, easily, simply, and most importantly, you don't need to bridge out and bridge back in. You can do everything here. This is truly a new standard for the space. All right, team, this holiday sale is ending soon. Once you click through to the landing page, if you want, you can go up to products and you can compare all the Ledger signers together. So we have the 3 Gen5 for daily use, and we have the classic signers up here. With the Stax, you get $80 in Bitcoin back. With the Flex, you get $70 in Bitcoin back. With the Nano, you get $10. The Ledger Nano X Classic, 50% off right now. That's huge. But get the one that's right for you. I mean, honestly, any of these Gen 5s are going to be really good, top of the line. But get the one that's right for you. The clear signing makes it so you avoid any kind of mistakes. The transaction check makes it so that common scams cannot happen with these devices. And the Ledger security key, the 2FA, can be used across multiple platforms. The technology in Gen 5 is top of the line, and you can hold a lot of wallets on these devices and a lot of different networks. Click the link below, take advantage of this deal, claim your Bitcoin today.